Okay, let's go.
Joms TV Media here at Park and Sell. Before natin i-feature yung mga kotse na yan, may nakilala tayo si Sir Rick De Leon.
Yep.
Ayan.
Having me in your vlog, bro.
Maraming salamat, sir. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Alright.
So, na-meet ko si Sir dito at gusto natin i-feature yung kanyang
Yep.
Jimny. Yes, sir.
Yan, salamat.
Tell us about your car, sir.
Yan, simple lang yung... Yan lang, yung maiba. Gusto ko lang siyang i-drop. Yun.
Oh guys, doon sa mga fanboys ng Jimny, no, sir?
Yep.
Yan, etong mugs ni sir,
Yan.
he was mentioning me about the mugs. Wala pa, sir, dito, no?
Wala pa.
Anong tawag dyan, sir?
Rat Road.
Rat Road.
Ginagamit sa mga, alam mo yung mga lumang coach, class, vintage na class na parang makalamang ang dating.
Yes, sir. Rat look, yung mga rat look.
Rat Road. Parang daga.
Yes, sir.
R80 Road.
Yes, sir. Dito, sir, ang tawag sa Philippines, ang tawag na nila, rat look, eh.
Rat Road, yan.
Yan. Okay, yan. Sir, this is what year?
2022.
2022, okay.
Lang, simple lang. Ikundiring pampakabog dibdib. Yan.
Okay guys, blow punk na naka-under seat si sir.
Yan. Para pag nakikipagtalo ka sa asawa mo, turn the volume on, up. Yun lang. Tapos yan, meron tayong
Okay,
big
guys,
car seat.
tignan nyo.
Mulag car seat.
Naka-racing seat si sir na Sparko.
Yep.
Okay, guys, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganyang itsura.
Yeah.
At may kinikwento si sir. Sir, you're telling about paano mo yung in-install?
Nagbaka sa ali lang ako na yung dala kong railing.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the other
Okay,
side.
sige, sir.
Sa kabila tayo.
Hi, brother. Sino ba to, sir?
Nabili ko lang sa Japan. Surplus. And this is
Okay.
stock lang pero pogi.
Pero pogi. Yan.
Yan.
Pa-shoutout sa New Year.
Manala.
Yan.
Baka naman.
Baka naman.
Marami na ako nabili sa'yo. Yan. So yan, nung measure namin, malaking diferensya niya.
Okay.
So, nagdala ko ng extra ganito. Yan yung tawag dito sa...
Sir, yung sa seatbelt.
yan.
Seatbelt.
So, binasag ko na lang dito. Tapos yan, niremedyohan ko na lang. Yun.
Okay.
It works. You know?
Works, yeah.
Yep. So, soon, hopefully, ma-drop ko yan.
Oh, yun. Oh, guys.
Matayin ako dyan.
Yan. Doon sa mga Jimny enthusiast, ayan. Yan, may balak si sir na i-drop. Yan.
Kaya may off-road, ito naman on city.
On city, yes.
BGC.
BGC.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks for having me.
Sir, thank you very much. It was a pleasure meeting you. Pleasure meeting you, sir. Joms TV Media. Guys, i-follow. Any Facebook, sir? Ricardo De Leon.
Ricardo De Leon.
Yun, guys. We'll just... Sir, lagi lang yan.
Tan.
Ayun. Okay,
Yun.
sige, sir. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Alright,
Guys, Joms TV Media here at Back to the 80s Park and Sell.